Civil Rights is a 3-day trek from the steps of the National Civil Rights Museum in Memphis to the Mississippi Civil Rights Museum in Jackson. The Civil Riders made a stop at Delta State University, where President William LaForge, staff, and students joined the riders for a send-off. The bike ride organizers Jason Coker and Rand Jenkins stressed how important it was to commemorate the legacy of Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. and continue his dream.
The ride, the events, the places that we go through, what happened in the places that we go through, what happened on the steps at the Lorraine Motel, those are personal narrative stories that we hope to tell.
The riders are following in the footsteps of Dr. King to raise awareness about rural poverty in America and advocate for racial justice. The riders have stopped in many towns along the way to visit different historic places that had an impact on the civil rights movement.
Until we all start telling the same story about our past, we'll never be able to stand together in the future. And I think this ride is trying to help us all tell the same story.
The journey doesn't end here. After Cleveland, the riders will be going to Ruleville to see the Fannie Lou Hamer Memorial. In Cleveland, I'm Mara Scott, the Delta News.